Good morning, everybody. Today is February 2nd, 2026. 2026. We'll do some pre-market planning very soon. We'll see what's going on in markets. So, a few things. Coming off a loss from yesterday. Well, a few losses, but yeah, a loss in general. Didn't do so well. Market gapped up 1.5% in a matter of 5 minutes. I'm not a gambler. I don't promote gambling, so there was not really a way to enter into that position without gambling. I was trying to trade in the balance range, which was my first mistake. Right? Trading in a balance range is just asking to be chopped around to death. Right? Unless you're able to predict, the outcome of that chop. But the likelihood is always going to be 50-50 every single time. You just never know, right? Unless it's very obvious some days, Yesterday we saw, large unprecedented liquidity levels on ES where NQ didn't have those, right? They had, I think, one or two 300 points above, and I guess the market said, yeah, we'll take those. We'll take those orders, no problem. All right, today I'm seeing kind of a similar thing, almost, where we got orders at almost 900, at 24,900. ES has orders at 68.81, looks like. But at the same time, we have orders to the downside too, right? What we see is Iran. There's some kind of Iranian news with oil, and I don't know. I didn't read into it, but it caused the market to fall from the highs we were at yesterday. Let me double check it because I'm actually curious to see myself what they were saying. We got Forex Factory. So no news Thursday. Haven't had news all week. We got some kind of pending home sales, but it's an orange folder. Unemployment claims were this morning too. Unemployment's down. That's good. Iranian oil news. Oil prices jump amid signs of U.S.-Iran conflict. Oil prices rise. Yeah, tensions. These stocks are gaining. It's all capitalism at the end of the day, isn't it? We go to war, stock prices gap up. Oil settles at 4% on Iran-U.S. tensions. Russia-Ukraine talks end without breakthrough. Not surprising. Goldman lawyer Epstein conferred on Secret Service sex scandal? What? Why is everyone fucking involved with Epstein now? This account is still doing well that I have. It's my express funded, my 50K. It's at $28.70 at profit, $2,870. It's almost $3,000. A little upset that I lost yesterday because I don't know, just hate losing. But Tuesday we made 2,500, so I just took a share of that, I guess. I'm gonna lower my loss limit though from 1,000 to maybe 750. 750 is fine, just in case. Interesting. Yeah. Well, so it's the weird thing. I have overnight VWAP set on TradingView, and that overnight VWAP's 24,921. And then the one on Top Step is constantly changing for some reason. 24,906. Wait. The farther you scroll back, the higher it goes. So 24,921. Okay. So I'm just gonna keep that there then. Yeah. To be honest, I don't know what kind of levels we could be chasing today. I mean, we're in a balance range right now. Balance is 24,900 and then 24,800. Kind of the balance range we've been sitting in for the last 5 hours. We could target the previous day's high at 25,060, or we could target any of the lows down to 400 even. We're near yesterday's open lows, so yeah, I don't know. Could be the same thing as yesterday. We see some kind of consolidation, or we might see a break because we already been in a consolidated range this whole entire time. So we might see a break of that range, and then we could see either a failed auction break or just a straight continuation upwards. I think that's what we're going to expect in this market today. That's just from my recollection, how we treat balance range in overnight situations. Oh, Walmart. If anyone's invested in Walmart, it's up 1% today. Walmart outlook blurred by fluid U.S. economy. First earnings in NASDAQ 100. Oh, they got added to NASDAQ. That's interesting. Let's see. Dow's down, S&P's down, NDX is down, Russell 2K futures down, TSX down, VIX is up 4%. The VIX is up. That's good on our part. We get more volatility if the VIX is up. Yesterday was another reason why it was just harder to catch a good trade. The VIX was down, right? So that means volatility was down. After that really big spike upwards, it was just a small consolidated range of maybe like 50 points, but every time we made a little bit higher high, a bit lower low by like 5-10 points, and then all of a sudden we dipped 3 hours later. I think the VIX picked back up. I don't know if the VIX is up though. It's good for me because I like kind of more volatile, maybe a bearish market. Another thing is I just love trading shorts. I love shorting the market. Very short biased all the time. It comes to my detriment when, especially when we're not going down at all. Which is weird because you can easily buy into a shorting market on like bounces on key levels and, things like that. But when it comes to like a buyer's market, it's impossible to go short on some kind of pullback. Impossible. So that's why I made the mistake yesterday, but typically what I'll do is I'll just follow the trend, kind of wait till some kind of absorption happens in the market, see some sellers get wiped, target the highs, go for a small win. Right, sometimes you have to simplify it down, if you're short biased, when the market's been going up, you just got to bite the bullet and say, okay, let's see if I can, target something, good off some kind of level, maybe some VWAP or whatever it may be, right? Every strategy is applicable to the opposite, direction. Unless they're trading like trend lines or something. I still can't believe people fall for that shit. Like Tory trades for trend line trading. I think it's got to be the most retarded shit I've ever seen in my life, by far. Putting lines on a fucking screen and call it trading. That's fucking disgusting. But she makes millions off of those people too. It just comes to show, like, especially if you want to, you're someone who wants to get into like trading, and day trading is the first thing to show up, and you see trend lines, you're like, oh wow, this is easy. What I could just put lines on my screen and make $100,000? Nope. I used to think the same thing when I first started. Maybe in the first month, I was doing trend line research. It's like, what trend lines are the best? How to analyze trend lines? And then you realize after like 2 tries, you're like, wow, this shit's completely retarded. You're just trying to catch a trend that's already been predetermined, but it has no uh, no outlook into futuristic outcomes. You can't predict the future with trend lines. If you can see something in real time, you can analyze the probability of it, moving one direction or the other. But if you're looking at past data, it's practically impossible. Market's still 10 minutes away from open. Those orders get removed? Yeah, those orders get removed. Coming near overnight VWAP, balance range high. Another thing, guys, if you know you're in a buyer's market, you're trying to sell the buyer's market, just look at the CVD. Right? If CVD on like ES is 12,000, never try to short the market. Never. That is just a mistake every time. Like, there's no movement if there's 12,000. Delta's 12,000. There's no way. Never has that happened in my life where there's movement at 12,000 delta. You just sit there and you just hate your life every time. If you're, negative 12,000 delta, that's a good day. That's a fun day. Because you'll see 100-point bounce upwards, 200 points downwards. Because volatility picks up. Those orders on ES are weird. 739. Got a bunch of algos stepping into play. From what I see, since these are algo orders, there's a good shot we're going to be taking a dip. Sorry. I don't know what's wrong with my throat. Oh, I apologize. Yeah. With 6877 being there as a algo highlighted order, it looks like they're just going to try to drag it up. But I don't think there's any demand behind it. Not really. The price is going to come into it. Those orders get removed. And then there's a lack of liquidity. And then you see it just either dip or just go up and try to find the next one. And typically, it does the reverse of what it's dragging it up to do. But ES is at its point of control. Yeah, it's a huge spike of sell pressure. Look at that point control. Hmm. Oh, looks like we're taking a dip now. I hate doing pre-market trades. The volatility always kills me on them. Like as market opens, the volatility always kills me. Well, I mean, this looks like a great short trade. We got triple top, 3 rejections of what it looks like to be 24, 875. Looks like we come down to maybe weekly open and the balance range low. That would be a good entry. Maybe this is bouncing right now. Some buyers. Oh, okay. Told you it was a good entry. That's 30 points right there. This thing's gonna smash to 40. Easy. Down to 30. Give it a second. Watch those buyers get trapped. Down to 40. Yep. Looks like we're coming down to 800. Those buyers are stuck at 35. Yep, and then it's going to just swing lower. Damn, that's 50 points right there. Should have just took a pre-market trade. Yep. Buyer's last chance. If they could get it past 45 and those bids start stacking, then it's coming back up. But they're going to get absorbed right here. You can tell by the delta. There's just sellers coming into the market right there at that 35-40 price point. Yeah. I honestly want to hop in short right now. It's a perfect pitch and catch. From 40 down to 800. I'm going to set this one out. Market opens in 1 minute. You can just tell by the orders. We're most likely going to dip market open. Sellers are stepping in. It's like an engine revving. Starting up. There's that dip. Volatility in the oil markets may be weighing this down. We'll see. There's that dip. 50. 850 looks like it's got soaked. Nope. Actually, the sellers got soaked. Interesting. Never mind. I was wrong. That tape is printing all buyers. That's why I don't hop in pre-market. Let's see what's going on here. Are we not even coming into overnight? It doesn't look like it. No one's trying to get out of this market yet. It looks pretty even. Pretty evenly divided. CBD made a little bit of bounce from 400 to 240, 250. We have to sell ICE, but I think they're just trying to provide liquidity to the sellers, but we'll see if sellers can hold this position. Looks like volatility already died out. Until we break that balance range, we won't probably see a move. I'm gonna wait till that happens. These are 200 algo orders just jumping up. Those orders get filled? Still don't like this. Not yet. You have a huge order block at 875. 50's holding great. CBD took another dip. If CBD doesn't reverse, it'd be a good entry point. Yeah, there it is. An equal low for Delta. I don't want to get trapped in the same move as yesterday, where we see sellers getting completely soaked, buyers getting completely soaked, and all of a sudden we see a 300-point move to the upside or downside. Yeah, I just got to hold this out, to be honest. Because I have no idea where this could go. I think it's going to go short. Like I said, I am a short bias trader. But the way the liquidity is stacking up, CBD's kind of holding on. But looks like buyers are winning this race. ES is going up now. I think you might want to drag it down. Look at that. Yeah. If bids and asks are equally stacked, it's very hard to predict if we're going to go up or down. It's very hard. It's gonna be very consolidated until that break happens. That's a great break. It's not enough. Need a little bit more selling pressure for a good break. Some orders at 700. Could come down to point of control. Can we hold this move? See if we break 800. Yeah, I knew I was going to go short. You got a really big bounce at 800. See what happens at point of control. You're going to sweep it. 75, 70. Yeah. Okay. I didn't see the CVD drop 1300. That's crazy. See if we can get some kind of micro pullback to enter in since we're out of that balance range now. Maybe back to 800 and 800 could be a good entry point. I'll watch this very carefully. 800. Okay, we got a big rejection of 800. CBD staying stable at 1,000. Still seeing a lot of buying pressure. Looks like 800 might not hold. Yeah, we got a big shift from 800. Okay. On this. My risk is right above overnight. Or in New York VWAP. Being some good volume. CVD making that dip now. Can we hold it though? That's the problem. Okay. I'm entering again. Total for 6 contracts. I like this pressure right here. I think this is going to keep dipping downward. CVD's dipping. Can we really break 800? It's a big question. Don't do it. Oh, wow. Wow, that's not nice at all. Oh, wait, it might be rejecting. New York. I like how CVD completely reversed. This is all sellers right here. It's all sellers right here. Can we hold this down break? Yes, there we go. Beautiful. Come on, break 800 for me. Oh, wow. Come on, let's break 800. I'm not liking this right now. 800 is getting held up. There's a ice wall at 800. It looks like we might slam. I just don't know. Very precautious about this move. CVD holding 800, staying still. Tape is running red. There's some movement. There we go. Oh no. I don't like these spikes. Can we hold it? Can we hold it? Buyers are really defending 800. Wait. Is that the break? Looks like we're sweeping it. Some good pressure. There we go. We got something. Can we break 90? Could break 80, that'd be wonderful. Broke 80. Okay. Can we hold it? Can we hold it? We got some good orders at 25. I don't like how point of control's at 775. Look at that spike, bro. Oh my goodness. Wow, those buyers got completely soaked though. They're still getting soaked, but this might stop me out. Yeah, I'm out. That was a $300 loss. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? As soon as I step out the market. That's so brutal. Actually, I really don't like this at all. We got 200 orders at 775, but it looks like they're algos. Yeah, that makes sense. Good thing I got out. Good thing I got out. Not a bad loss. I'm not upset about that. That was just. It was a high probability setup. I've taken the setup a million times. Rejection off New York to create that new low where where liquidity levels are. Volume pressure was there. CVD was negative. Holding negative too. It's just such a weird market the last 2 days. Just got that bounce off point of control. That's the problem. What time is it? It's 45. Okay. Well, we could set our 15-minute range up. It's fine. Yeah. I like this, though. I'm going to try this. Oh, what a catch. What a catch. Already up in profit? That's very nice. Can we hold it? Oh, this is beautiful. All right, there we go. It's a nice break. Come on, let's hold it. Nice, nice. Nice. I'm gonna add in 2 right here. I think this rejection of 800 is looking pretty clean. Come on, let's hold this move. Let's hold this move. Oh, come on. 800, 815, 820, 21. Nice. Buyers got soaked. Beautiful. Come on. Come on. Come on. There's no orders up above. Oh, no. Oh, no. This market's not loving me right now. Come on. Come on. Nice. Nice. Come on. Break 15 for me. 20 holding. Don't lag out on me now. Come on. 15 holds. 812 broken. We gotta break 800. Enough volume. Looking clean. Come on. Those sellers are not holding on to 800. Oh my goodness, that's not good. Really? Well, I hit my daily loss limit, so that's sweet. God, what is up with this market, man? Watch it reject right here, too. Oh, God. Wow, dude, this market's just terrible, man. Break out of balance, can't hold the break. Like, come on. All right, let's try to pass these combines, though. Oh, it's because ES has false orders and then they completely remove the real orders at the downside. Oh, that's just wonderful, dude. That's just wonderful. That's wonderful. I don't know what orders we're chasing up above. I'm in for shorts. No break above overnight or New York. Let's see what everything's at. Everything's negative. Everything fell. Tesla's down, Nvidia's down, Meta's down, Google's down. What the hell is going on with this market? All right. This looks like a good move right here. Mm-hmm. 40's holding pretty well. CVD's holding negative. Oh my goodness. What on earth are we chasing? I don't understand what the hell's going on. Wow. Okay. Sure, NQ. Sure. We following ES now. There's not even orders at 900. I don't know who the hell's buying up right now. Really? Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Where are any orders, dude? Most highlighted orders are at the bottom. That's where the demand is. The volume pressure is there. I mean, yeah, CVD's up, what, 200? This is crazy. Is it only because of ES? There we go. Came into overnight VWAP. CVD's going negative again. And for some reason, we don't hold. I mean, there's no real orders on ES. And Q's got all its highlighted orders to the downside. CVD's consolidating. I don't understand where the bullish pressure is coming from. This is weird. I have never seen none of the technicals not work. Everything's pointing sell. Are we just gonna try to get it to 900? Like I don't understand. Yeah, it's so dumb, dude. Oh, I just lost both my trading combines. God, what the hell is going on? And then all those orders get fucking removed. This is just so stupid. Really? We're at value area high. Are we gonna reject 900 and fall? No, it's random spike upward again. Yep, we're just gonna spike upward now. This market's not making any sense to me. We're out of the balance area for lows and highs. Are we chasing the highs now? Like, I don't understand. And CVD's up 700. CVD for ES is up to 8,000. God damn it, dude. I think ES was just the driving factor again then. Oh, I hate when that happens. Where NQ's trying to go short. You see those orders, you see the demand, and then ES is just like, no, sorry, we're going up. We got a rejection of 900 now. I haven't won a trade in 2 days. That's crazy. Still up 1,400 on the week, but like, come on, man. Like, what the hell is going on? I've lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades in a row. Like, what? That's one of those market sessions. No news. Technicals are just not working. And we reject off of 900. Yeah, that's great. That's so gross. It's weird. They always take away any drawings I make on the chart. Wow, there's no fucking way. I was 5 minutes too early. Really? Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't know, guys. I can't analyze this market very well. I mean, from what I saw, I mean, bounce off of point of control. It was holding point of control. We had a bunch of orders sitting here, nothing to the upside. We got huge volume spikes, and then all of a sudden, the sellers just got soaked, and we jump up 100 points. Now we're rejecting 900, and you got some orders at 500, and I mean the entire bid and ask got shifted. It's just like, how does that happen? You just shift all of a sudden? I don't know. We're at overnight VWAP. But we're not rejecting 900. I mean, it just didn't make any sense to me. We got bearish news, broke out of balance, went straight down, big hedges, and then all of a sudden we can't break. We're just completely bounced off a point of control, even though we had large collections of orders. And it's just like, oh my god. Now CVD's up 1,600 as we were down like 12. Like, what kind of price action is this, man? It's just so random. It's unbelievably random. Under New York and overnight. It's like, these weren't bad trades. That's the problem. I thought they were great trades. It's just, what are these like random ass spikes and buying pressure? We haven't had that in like a month. What happened in January? I was losing a lot in January because of these random, buying spikes. And it's just like, what is going on? Like, how do sellers get completely soaked on those moves? Like, look at this. Insane aggressive volume, big dip, and we barely shifted, 20, 30 points? Like, come on. I feel like there's more demand at 700 than there is at 25,100. We rejected 25,100 for 4 hours yesterday. We got some orders at 25,200. My bad, but like, are we really gonna jump up 500 points? Go up 3%, 2%? We're negative for the day. Everything's negative for the day, actually. It just doesn't make sense to me. It's just ES just decided to go up. That's really what happened. ES just had some shift upwards, some random shift upwards, and just NQ followed. I mean, I'll show you guys my entries. That's fine. So first entry was at 800 right here. Okay, yeah, we spiked up. That's fine. And then we're coming down. We're near the lows. We have orders at 50 and 25. So down lower, like right about here. And then all of a sudden, big spike stops me out. 20. I got a 22-point stop, so $300 of risk, right? Same thing happens here. We get this rejection of overnight VWAP, no orders to the upside, aggressive sell volume, sell it at 18, right? Price comes up. I'm assuming retest. We got orders right here, right below 800 at 75. We got orders at 62 and then 50 again. And then, okay, yeah, whatever. We're coming up to New York and then spike upwards. I'm out right here at 45. About 30-point stop again, 40-point stop. And then we continue just bouncing upwards. Like, to me, it's just, I don't know, man. I mean, maybe I was on the wrong side of the trend, but there was no trend that formed. That's the one thing that sucks about trading, guys. It's just so unpredictable sometimes. Some days are so easy. What the hell is going on with my computer, man? Okay, sure. What the... I give up. What the hell is going on with my computer? Fuck's sake, just fucking work. I hate my life. What the fuck is this bullshit? It looks like now it's about to fall. Coming down back to 900. If it retests 900, it's either going up or it's gonna just shoot past down. Fucking hate this. Can't get a single clear move. I mean, you could be right on the, you could be right about the move, but sometimes the market is just so random that, nope, sorry. We actually changed our minds. Fuck your move. That's just how it goes. 24,900's always been a rejection zone for the last 2 weeks. I've taken so many trades off the rejection of 900, and it just shoots down to 500. But lately, we've been stuck at 700. No, we've been stuck at 800, which I don't know why that's even a demand level. It's below any balance range. Didn't mean to blow my two combines, though. That is what it is. Trade the funded, then. But, the worst thing you could do, if you have a losing day, is to fucking just blow the account. Losing day, I've had a... Can't believe, dude. 9 trades in a row. It's crazy. Yeah. Well, red days happen. Unless it's not a red week. 0 for 4 for today. It is what it is. I'm not going to get angry about it. All right, guys. I hope you had a good day. I hope someone caught a winner. I'm going to head out now. So, peace.